Hello everyone. I'm Kokila and I'm from Team Dynamic Price Collector. So the problem statement that we have used is that if you consider the small scale retail industries, they were trying to get their competitor prices and update their prices accordingly, right? So this takes so for this approach, they were following two methods. One is like either they are going to third party services who provide us like on some budget. If they provide the competitor prices, they are considering it, else they were trying to get the data from from there and like manually putting some effort and going through each and every website and getting the data. So all this is like it takes a lot of manual effort. So instead of that, for this problem, what we have figured out is that we have automated this workflow using this N8N tool. So here we went with no code based approach. So it's a tool that lets you to connect to different services like either Costco or Amazon as an example, with no manual effort. So I'll start explaining the workflow. So initially we will consider this CSV. We consider the input CSV, like from which data source that we need to extract the price and what are all the tire brands that we are using and for which particular sizes we want to get the data. So we'll get this and we'll loop over these items one by one. And then here we are using the Grog API to make a call to AI where our tire details will be in form of user prompt, and then based on our system prompt, this AI is gonna generate us the particular URL from where we need to get that price for that particular item. So even though if we have duplicate items with same brand but different size, so it will give us the proper URL from where we need to scrape the data for that particular item, right? So once we get that item, we are doing the web crawling. So for this we have used Firecrawl. So based on that Firecrawl, we are gonna go to this particular the URL generated by the AI agent. So it will take that URL and then go to that particular site and get the price and attach it to the previous item and then write it to the CSV file. So for some of them, there is like web crawling. It's not like some of the websites they are restricting. So for them, what we have done, we have gone with customized uh, Python code, which is by using Playwright, we are going to crawl that website. I mean particular product price. Okay, so once we get the prices, we are going to write it to the CSV file. Okay, so this is how a workflow works. So I'll just run one thing. So I'll just show you. It will come to the thing and then loop over items. It will go to the particular Costco site and scrape the data and write it to the output file, and then it will loop over again, and that's how it goes to each and every item. For Costco, we just customized, but for Amazon, it does the web crawling for the price. So it goes through this and then get the data and then send. Okay, so we will get the output in this format, like where it will give us the for that particular brand and item which particular price we have, and it will get that price and attach it here, even though we are also handling the errors. So if that particular page is not found or if that particular item is not found in the inventory, so it's gonna give us the price not found information. So if you see Amazon, for Amazon also it got the prices, and if it is not found, it's gonna return not found error. So considering the evaluation, we have tested this by checking manually in Costco and Amazon websites for this particular brand and for this particular size. We have taken the price information and compared it with our output CSV. So when we did that evaluation, we got 95% coverage, like we got that 95% accuracy for that particular tire prices. So the problems that we have faced in this particular workflow is that when we are doing this web crawling, right, they're gonna block us for if they get continuous requests, they're gonna block us. For this we have used proxy and also the wait time. So here we have given wait time as 10 seconds for each request, so that it goes through it by 10 seconds delay and gets the data. So this is how we plan, but in future we also are trying to do this web crawling effectually, and also usage of this AI, like for the URL generator we have considered it, but we are also planning to dynamically, analyze the what would be the right price for any right particular item for them to implement, like to place like price rule thing. So and also the other problem is that in future websites may change their layouts often, right? So for this, we want to add more websites, like more than like Costco, Amazon. We want to track the real time, like it. We want to make it more dynamic. So we are also planning to make it user friendly, so that others will not, mess up with this tools and stuff. So this is what we have automated. So I would like to connect with people who work in, retail industries like pricing analysts, or anyone who needs the reliable product data like their competitor prices and stuff. Yeah, thank you. That's all we have for today. Thank you.